Unit 1, page 1, Standard 3rd. Poem Playtime. Listen, repeat and sing with actions. Fun time, playtime. Now we run, now we climb up the ladder and down the slide. A merry-go-round, let's take a ride. Here's a swing, go to and fro. Bounce the seesaw high and low. Bounce the seesaw high and low. Bounce the seesaw high and low. Now find the following in the picture. Ladder, slide, merry-go-round, swing, seesaw. Now learn by heart this word and learn by heart this poem and sing with action.